Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, and then to the backup and reset. Erase all data, and here select the first option, reset network settings, and then confirm it. And after that, all of the network settings will be reset to its defaults. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.